Yes. What have you found? What have you found, Fatty? Fatty, Fatty. Is that the catnip all over the floor you found? Can't really see it. It's a lot of catnip. Hey. What are you doing? Oh, someone on that stupid. Enemy. Okay. You're gay. You should. I can't speak. What are you doing on the ground? Yeah, I think he's high on catnip. He's high. Are you high on catnip? Alright. Let's go to this one. I gave him catnip too. His face when I opened it up, he's like he got caught. Hey, buddy. Yeah, catnip. Oh, he doesn't do anything when you give him catnip. He's kind of a lazy cat. That cute face. Well, it's too far, too close. Nope. Oh wow, that's pixely. Super poor quality. Oh, you can't see it. I'm too sure. That's of course that is. That's always a deal. Wow. Cringe, cringe, cringe. I like cringy videos. This is super cringe. What is this? Oh, cutie, cutie, cutie. Where have you come from? Oh, look at this one. Ah, cutie. Turn the light pink. Okay. And cats. And kitties. They hide everywhere in this house. I don't know where they are. Anytime when they... Sometimes they'll be up here. Nope. Alright. I know an idea. I have an idea where to find them. What's that? I see it. They're so fat. Oh my god, it moved. Elusive fake cat, it moved. Oh my god. What is that noise? It says cat. Where is he? Where is that one? I need it. Nope. Are you in here? Too dark, most likely. Now you guys can't see anything. Let's go this way now. Cats, yay. Right then. I think there's more. I had one more to show you, but I can't find him. Oh, there's that one. Oh my god, look at that. Oh shoot, he's fat. Fat like everything else. Okay. This one. Oh, I love this one a lot. This one is never mean or scratching unless you give him catnip, and then he gets high off the catnip. And if you poke him, he'll like lightly scratch you and nibble on you, and doesn't even hurt at all. Look at him. Look how cute that is. Whoa. Watch this. Watch this. I know tricks. No, it's okay. Quick, camera, stop moving, Jesus. Oh, you like that, huh? Yeah, see. What's his favorite? There. Oh, sometimes he'll lick me. And he's purring. There he goes. Okay, my arm's tired. And then he just stares blankly at you with his soulless eyes. And then he eventually goes back to sleep. Hey, buddy. Let's go to this kitty right here. The curtains again. Oh, yes, you are. If I was to get a bigger view here, because the curtains would fall if I got any farther. Oh, no, he got up. He's jumping down. Yep, he's a cutie, isn't he? Siamese fireball point. I don't know. Some kind of Siamese kid. Too close. Okay, let's bring you down. Okay. Here. Face reveal. Oh, nice sock reveal there, dude. Okay, there we go. And he went back up there. Okay, that's great. Not his butthole. We don't want to see that. That's YouTuber's gotta be very sensitive. You bung is triggered. Okay, I'm gonna get here because he's. Hey. Yep. Okay. Bye.